Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on using the dashboard and personalization features in Turbo Apps. These features are designed to give you, as a manager or admin, more control over your Turbo Apps experience. The Turbo Apps dashboard. The dashboard is your one-stop for monitoring user data and activity within your Turbo Apps. Once you log into the Turbo Apps Builder, the dashboard will be the default view on your home screen. Here, you'll find valuable insights represented visually, including user numbers. See the total number of users and active users at a glance. Form activity. Track the total number of forms and the number of forms in progress, completed and shared externally. Form categories. A pie chart displays the distribution of forms across different categories. Hovering over a pie slice reveals the category name and the number of forms within it. Clicking a slice filters the area chart next to it, showing form submissions over time for that specific category. User submissions. Scroll down to see a bar chart representing users who have created forms within the selected category. Hovering over a bar reveals the user's name and the number of forms they've made and submitted. All this information can be downloaded in either data or image format for further analysis. Importing new dashboards. Now, let's explore importing a new dashboard into your workspace. Click on the Settings option in the navigation panel. From the drop-down menu, select Dashboard. A new screen opens. Choose Dashboard List to see a list of all existing dashboards. Click the Refresh button and a new tab will open. Select the dashboard you want to import and click the Import button to add it to your workspace. Making the imported dashboard visible. Once you've imported a new dashboard, you can easily add it to your home screen for quick access. In the navigation panel, select Personalization. Choose Favorite Dashboard tab. Select the newly imported dashboard from the drop-down menu to add it to your home screen. Setting a default dashboard. If you find a particular imported dashboard useful, you can set it as your default view. Switch between dashboards. Access your most relevant data quickly. From the home screen, your default dashboard is displayed. To switch dashboards, click the drop-down menu in the top right corner and select your preferred option from your list of favorites. Personalizing the look and feel. The Personalization section offers more than just managing dashboards. You can also customize the overall look and feel of the Turbo Apps application to suit your preferences. You can explore the various options available, including Designer Properties. Modify the visual elements of the application. Theme. Choose a pre-designed theme from the vast options available. Default Report Set. Select the default report set you want to see. Default Page. Set your preferred landing page within the application. Profile. Personalize your user profile information. Select the option you want to adjust, and the changes will be reflected immediately. By effectively utilizing the dashboard and personalization features, you can gain valuable insights into your Turbo Apps usage and personalize your experience for maximum efficiency. Thank you for watching.